In this video, I will show you how to open Mozilla Firefox settings. To get started, open up Mozilla Firefox, and once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three lines to open this menu, and from here, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see the option for settings. Give that a click, that's going to take you to your Firefox settings, and from here, there's a number of different things you can do. So on the general section, this is where you can come if you want to make Firefox your default browser. You can also do things like import browser data from another browser, and you can also choose what happens when you do things like open new tabs, and your browser layout, and also the browser appearance and language. Coming over to the menu on the left hand side, we have now an option for home settings, which is where you can come to choose what you see when you open your home page, new windows and new tabs. The next option is your search settings, so this is where you can come to change your default search engine, as well as different settings for Firefox Suggest, and there's some other settings on here as well related to search. Next, you've got your privacy and security settings, which is where you can come if you want to clear things like your browsing data, and you can manage VPNs and things like that from here as well. And that's sort of the main settings you need to worry about with Mozilla Firefox. So that's a quick overview on how to open settings in Mozilla Firefox. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Firefox and tech tutorials.